Winter is coming around, and the bite is getting tough. Fish won't move, won't chase. That's why we go finesse, the Neko rig. Today with the O.S.P DoLive crawler, let's see if it still gets beat in winter. Hello, this is Angler Waki, a fishing enthusiast living in the United States. In the last video, we talked about the drop shot, one of the two kings of winter finesse. Today, we are diving into one of my favorite Japanese finesse rigs, the Neko rig. It's a simple setup, a soft bait with a nail weight in the head, and a hook placed slightly off-center. When we tension the line, the worm stands up. When we shake it, it gives off tiny natural vibrations. When we give slack to the line, it slides down slowly. Perfect for winter bears that don't want to chase. This is why Japanese anglers trust the Neko rig during the toughest season. And with the O.S.P DoLive crawler, the action becomes even more realistic. DoLive crawler, 1.5 inches rig. Cast and shake. Come on! The O.S.P DoLive crawler. This is a great rod. Wait, slow one. Okay. Oh, it's gone. That's okay. Yeah. Fish are around. Let's keep casting. It's early winter now. The fishing is getting harder and harder. I think drops of rig and Neko rig can catch some fish, but I don't expect a big one. No, it's okay, small baby size bass. Nothing worse than getting skunked. I mean, anything better than no fish. Come on. Ah, baby bass. Baby bass. Super cute baby. Be careful, be careful. Thank you, baby. Okay. Okay. Nice fight. Okay. Okay. O.S.P. Drive crawler. Neko rig. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes. How to fish, cast, and let the rig fall all the way to the bottom. Once it's tied down, pause for a moment. Then, while keeping the lure in contact with the bottom, gently shake the rod tip to give it subtle action. Stay patient and keep repeating this sequence.
Oh. Okay. Wow. Nice fight. Okay. Be careful. Oh, the lure came off. Ooh. Be careful. Okay. Yes. Nice neck rig.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
Alright, that's it for today's winter Neko rig session. The drive crawler really shows why Japanese finesse works in tough conditions. I hope this helps your cold winter fishing too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this channel with your fishing pals. And make sure to subscribe for more JDM fishing content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.